back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to plant your seeds from mango seeds to plant to become a tree. So first of all, as you can see, you got nice mango that you bought from like a market or a grocery store. Okay. So after you cut it and eat it, and what you left is seeds right here. So I got two seeds over here. One is sealed, that is still sealed. As you can see, this is the shape that where the seed is at. Okay. So all you need to do is just if there's a gap that's already open already, you can use like a flathead screwdriver to pry open, but you want to pry away from where the seed's at. Okay, so that's what I did with this one. It's already split open, so what I did was just use my fingers and then pry out open. Wow, look at that. As you can see, there's a root already. Okay, and all you need to do is just put this in your mixed soil, and then that will allow you to grow, but try to keep it moist because right now it's like a summertime. It's pretty hot, so you put it in the potting soil and put it moist and by the window. You don't want to put it outside right now because summertime is very hot and it's not going to grow. So next one, I'm going to show you guys real quick on my backyard and show you guys when it sprout and become a little tree. So when your mango tree becomes sprout, it should look something like that. Okay, but these are the different kind of other tree or fruit that I plant. Okay, so this is the mango tree. Okay, all I did was just put it right there on the bottom where the dirt's at. And now it's become a pretty big tree. So this is probably like a couple months later, probably like 9 or 11 months. And then this is the avocado tree that I showed you guys previously. And it's growing bigger and bigger now. And then I got my guava tree, my grapefruit tree, and then another guava tree, and then that's a big peach tree right there. And I got this Kishu mini mandarin tree, but that's the one that I got from the nursery for free. Every year you get a shade tree for free. As you can see, it's growing pretty much for a small tree. And I also got the lime tree. I only got like 1, 2, 3, 4 growing this time. So I believe this is the orange tree, navel orange tree. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below so you guys won't miss out any of the new and latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.